From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Dropping out of the 40s into the 30s overnight, but as clouds start to increase through the early morning hours and winds become a bit more southerly, that will slow the cooling down. Here's a look at the overnight lows across the area. Mid-30s across southern middle Tennessee. Couple sheltered valley locations could get down to the freezing mark, though. Mid to upper 30s over northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. And then as we head into your Wednesday, one more mild day on the board. It will be the last mild day for at least the next 7 days, if not longer than that. Increasing clouds through the day, but a southerly wind, daytime highs into the low to mid-60s. The slightest chance of a stray shower through the afternoon, but for the daytime hours, the vast majority of us staying dry. Wednesday overnight into Thursday morning is where we'll watch for the low chance of a few strong thunderstorms. Storm Prediction Center maintains a level 1 out of 5 risk, low end severe storm risk over North Alabama, near and south of the Tennessee River. It doesn't at this time include southern middle Tennessee. I don't think it needs to. Very low risk of a couple storms with small hail or gusty winds. Tornado threat is as close to zero as it can be, but we'll be monitoring radar and staffed here in the Weather Center overnight tomorrow night just in case. Flooding risk also on the lower end. Some localized street flooding and ponding possible in those low-lying, poor drainage areas. We're going to run Futurecast ahead to 6 p.m. Wednesday evening. Still quiet here. As we get closer to 8, 9, 10 o'clock, showers develop. And then closer to midnight and afterwards, spotty areas of isolated strong storms are certainly possible. P to dime size hail, 40-mile-per-hour wind gust, lightning and thunder. Locally heavy rainfall, maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm warning or two. Not expecting a tornado situation, but we will still be here to watch it just in case. Storms filter on east of the area as we go toward daybreak. Still some lingering locally heavy downpours through the morning hours of Thanksgiving before showers taper off into the afternoon. Highs on Thanksgiving only in the 50s, and then colder air behind that system. Daytime highs from Friday into next week, low to mid 40s, and Monday and Tuesday it may be closer to the upper 30s in spots. Widespread light freeze coming for several overnights late week in the weekend. Overnight lows in the 20s and upper teens are possible here Monday and Tuesday mornings. Here's the temperature trend the next 7 days. We go from the 60s on Wednesday to the 50s Thursday, and then much colder air here as we head into December, certainly feeling like December in the Christmas season here. And again, Monday and Tuesday, we may not get out of the upper 30s for some places, and overnight lows is a midpoint average between southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama, lower 20s. That certainly means we expect some upper teens to be around, at least in our southern Tennessee counties early next week for morning lows. Weather where you live for your Wednesday, it's a mild day out there. Increasing clouds across southern middle Tennessee, northwest Alabama, and northeast Mississippi. Low to mid 60s with a south wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour, maybe gust as high as 15 at times. Showers and thunderstorms overnight tomorrow night and through the morning hours of Thanksgiving Thursday. We'll watch for 1 or 2 to be strong with small hail or gusty winds. Showers taper off into the afternoon. Clearing and colder from Friday right on into next week. There's look related 7-day forecast. Ben Luna is in the Weather Center tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.